Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you guys see, I'm in the kitchen today. So I'll be showing you guys how to make jerk shrimp pasta. So my ingredients are some shrimp. It's already washed and deveined. I got some bell peppers. I got my Alfredo sauce. If you want to make homemade Alfredo sauce, you can actually use some half and half milk and some cheese of your choice. I have my salt, my all-purpose, my parsley. I like to top it with a little parsley after. I have my complete seasoning, my black pepper, and some jerk paste. And of course, pasta. So yeah guys, stay tuned if you want to see how I make my jerk shrimp pasta. Okay? Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe and turn your post notification on so you can get notified when I drop another video. Okay guys, follow me on my IG account at shy_muma. So guys, I have here my boiling water. I add a little salt to it. So I'm gonna add my pasta next. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. So I just use half pasta because I'm just making it for two. And yeah guys, so in the meantime I'm gonna season my shrimp. So you guys can use any seasoning of your choice, but I'm just going to use some salt, pepper, and some of my seasoning. So, and you can also season to taste. I'm not going to give a measurement on this because it's just a simple recipe that you can just add your flavor the way you like it. Okay. I'm going to add a little complete seasoning. Just a little. You don't want it too soft. And then I'm going to add my jerk paste. So this jerk paste that I'm using is hot. I like my stuff spicy anyway, but you can use mild or spicy, whichever you like. And so this is how it looks. So I'm going to fry them on each side for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to take them out. So stay tuned. So I'll be putting in my shrimp. Put it on low heat because you don't want it to burn. Okay? And so I'll be cooking them on both sides for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to take them out. And then I'm going to start to make my sauce. So there's a trick to making my sauce. I can just use the Alfredo sauce, but I like to make my own Alfredo sauce and then add a little of the ready-made one. So I just use some half and half milk and some cheese. Okay? Okay guys, so we're back and my shrimp is done. So this is how it looks. Beautiful, right? Okay, so now my oil is ready for my bell peppers. Don't mind my niece in the background. Oh my god. So you just want to stir fry your bell peppers for a minute. You don't want it too soft, but you want it to have flavor in your pasta. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of half and half milk. I think half and half milk is better because it's thick. But you can use whole milk, honestly. So now I'm gonna go in with my half and half milk along with my bell peppers. Ooh, it's looking so good already. Okay. And then once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna add my cheese. Half a cup of cheese. Right? And then I'm just gonna stir. I like when it looks creamy. So I'm gonna add half more cup. So it's just gonna be 1 cup cheese of your choice. But I'm using blended cheese. Oh my god. Sorry about the mess, guys. It happens in the kitchen. So guys, you can comment down below and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see me do, what type of challenges, what kind of food you want me to cook. Guys, you name it, I do it, okay? And I really appreciate all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Welcome to Shy's Kitchen. Yeah. So now it looks like this, right? And I'm gonna go in with half Alfredo sauce, which this is already Alfredo sauce for me, but I like to do a mixture. Ooh, so creamy. Yes, guys, this is like an easy pasta, like an easy pasta recipe for dinner that I usually make, like a one-pot meal when I don't have time to cook or I'm not really in the mood to cook. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some more jerk paste because I like it spicy to my sauce. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. Looks yummy. Right? So it looks like this. And so I'm going to go in with my cooked pasta. Okay? Ooh. And you can use any pasta of your choice. I usually use the bow tie. You can use the, what's the other one called? Penny. Most people usually use penny for pasta when making Alfredos. But I'm just using the one that I have today. Okay, guys? Everything is falling out the pot. Okay. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna add my shrimp. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. Or actually, I'm gonna let it sit for 3 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look, okay? So this is how it looks right now. Welcome back. This is how my jerk pasta looks. Jerk shrimp pasta. I'm just gonna share a little on my sauce. And you can add some French toast bread if you like. I don't have any right now, so yeah, I'm not gonna use any. Get some of the red bell peppers on it. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Okay, and then we're gonna garnish it with some parsley flakes. And this is how my jerk pasta looks. Okay guys, enjoy. So comment down below and tell me if you guys like this recipe, if you want to try it, or you can suggest any videos you want to see me do, whether it be some challenges, some prank, some cooking. Just comment down below and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and turn your post notification on so you can get notified when I drop another video. Peace out.